Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Tonight I will be featuring three products from the My Food Mercado, previously known as Mandawi Food Mercado, and this comes from Ross Kyle Oplado Divinagracia. So I would really like to thank Ross. He actually won one of the week's contest of My Food Mercado, and I chose his corned beef Empanar. That's what he calls it, the Empanar. I chose it, and yeah, he actually won that week. So this is his corned beef Empanar. It's actually just an empanada, and the theme for that contest is they need to use a Virginia product to be part of the recipe of the products that they were selling for that week. So he decided to use corned beef from Virginia products, and fortunately he won. So this is the Empanar. 3 pieces cost 50 pesos. That's not bad. It's really cheap for knowing that you have 3 large cuts of Empanar. It's empanada. So, Monisha. And he is also selling chocolate crinkles, 6 pieces for 80 pesos. So, Monisha, if you can see, ang iyang crinkles kay paga. Here you go. So this white thing here is the confectionery sugar, so still sugar. It makes the crinkles sweet. So 6 pieces in one box. One box is 80 pesos for the 6 pieces. And then he also sent me, so bye-bye siya gipada. Thank you so much, Ross. He sent me pocket pies. These are, I don't know what the contents are. I think this is pork, but we will know once we get to taste this. So 3 pieces. 3 pieces cost 60 pesos. So thank you so much, Ross, for sending me these products. Of course, I'll be sharing this with my family. The reason why I let him win during that week was because the price of the Empanar is very affordable, and the packaging is environment friendly because it's made of paper, and he actually cooks the crust well. Dili siya paig. When I tasted it, lami kay siya cause sakto ra iyang crunch and ang iyang flavor that week. So let's try if mo gyapon na iyang lasa weeks after. Okay. Same good taste. So what you can see inside the Empanar, I'm talking with something in my mouth, is the, of course, Virginia product, which is the corned beef. It has thick cheese cuts or bits, slices, and also carrots and then potatoes. So I can really taste the cheese. Lamig kay siya. Ipaningot ako. And then ay egg. Sulit ay yung 50 pesos na, guys, pero mabusog na mo ana. Although bitin gud siya. Sayang kalami, mabitin ka sa usa ka pack. So mamalit mo ani, daghana na lang sa dinyo, 50 pesos naman na. Of course, excluding pa na sa delivery fee. You need to handle the delivery fee as well. That's the trend for online sellers now. And then kani ang iyang pocket pie, he did say na medyo overcooked because I think he was really busy. And congratulations on your new, I think, son ba to or daughter? Limot ko, sorry, Ross, but nasa bagong anak, bago lang ng anak yung misis. So congratulations to your new member of the family. So nag-sorry siya daan, but don't worry, it's the taste that matters. So tilawan na nato ni siya. Okay, so it's still corned beef. So same, baga ang iyang feeling. Daghan kay corned beef sa sulod, baga po ang cheese. If I ate this upon arrival diri sa amua, I think this is going to be crispy pa. So pardon the background noise. Crispy pa ni siya, but I ate it around 2 hours after. expected na di na kayo siya crispy. But overall, ang ihang pie, it's crusty. And it's thick. May siya pagkaluto. Dako atong mo eh. Daghan jud siya corned beef sa sud, guys. Dili siya tinihik. So that again are the pocket pies. 60 pesos for 3 pieces. I think I need water. So from salty, layat sa sweet. Wait, I'm still trying to figure the taste out. Okay. So as I said a while ago, baga siya. I've tasted a lot of Crinkles before, different bake shops, and I've tasted mga tab-ang na Crinkles. But I can really taste the chocolate here, as well as the sweetness of the confectioner sugar. And dili siya pare sa uban Crinkles galing na bake shop na kaging. It's really chewy, guys, and it's really tasty. So if you buy one pack, 6 pieces, and it's 80 pesos. Again, anything raw sells is not kamahayan because it's served in a generous amount. Okay, mauni siya yung Crinkles dagko. So if you're looking for something sweet, try out his Crinkles. 6 pieces cost 80 pesos. Nakahurot yun ang kugisa. So I'm gonna be sharing this with my kids. Thank you so much, Ross. If you want to order from Ross, I will be sharing his phone number here below. If you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed. And tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So thank you so much, Ross, for the products, and thank you so much, lovies, for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys!